All right, we're in the pigeon bin. Harvest is gonna be starting probably in the next couple weeks. So I'm gonna clean out a bunch of these pigeons before that. Well, I know that they're all in here, but I'll flip you around and show you what we're working with, and then we'll show you what we get when we're done. All right. It's ridiculous. But we're gonna catch a bunch of these guys and get them over to our loft. Here's one bucket. There's a few in there. There's another one over there on the ground. Probably got 10 in it. We got 24 out, and then a cage at the truck. Probably catch 4 or 5 more and call it a night.